I have no idea what happened. I just stopped the video for no reason. Anyway, so this is going to be the last bit of the last video. So just continuing on. Oh, I was just saying I'm not going to be talking about transamination reactions, except know that it is the idea of putting an amine from one amino acid, putting it onto another molecule to turn it into a different amino acid. Okay, so third thing is synthesis of non-essential amino acid. Okay, number 4. The fourth one is energy. You can actually use your amino acids for energy. If you are that person that gigadoses on protein, let's say you're taking a whole bunch of egg whites and you're consuming amino acid supplements, which you really shouldn't be doing, should just be getting your protein through your diet. But anyway, let's say you're consuming too much protein. All right, so protein is the one thing we don't know how to store. We cannot store it, all right? You break it down, you turn it into amino acids, you use your amino acids for these things, and then if you have extra amino acids, what are you going to do with them? You have to remove the nitrogen, and then you go through, so nitrogen is removed, and then you send it out of your body through the urea cycle. And then that last bit of carbons, the carbon skeleton, the rest of the amino acid, that is then, it goes through either part of glycolysis or Krebs cycle in order to get energy. All right. With protein, with amino acids, you get about the same amount of energy as carbohydrates. So it's also about 4 kilocalories per gram. Okay. But this is the last thing you would do with the amino acids. These guys, this is the important stuff. This is only if you have an excess of protein in your diet. Okay. I think that covers everything. I'm sorry I messed up with the video and had to create another one, but that's okay. Just watch. So this would be 7, I guess. So watch 6, and then 6 is going to end abruptly, obviously, and then just watch 7. Okay. All right, great. We are all done, and congratulations. You now know a little bit of biochemistry, a little bit of organic and biochemistry. Good.